Now we will show you how to install the heat shrink braided sleeve easily. All we need are on the desk. There is radiator hose, a piece of 40mm heat shrink sleeve, a pair of scissors, and a heat gun. For example, if we need to protect a designated part of this rubber hose, first step, we choose the appropriate length and cut it by scissors. Look, the cutting ends are very clean without any fray, so we do not need to buy a professional cutting tool. Then we make the sleeve cover through the rubber hose to the expected area. The next step is turning on the digital heat gun and set the temperature at 400 Celsius degree. Then we wait about 1 minute for preheating. Finally, let's make the sleeve evenly heated until fully recovery. Now the sleeve fitting on the hose tightly.